Right, my shungite has come. My overall conclusion that it's decent quality. It's shungite, but it may not be the best. Like it might not be the best tear that's around. But let's check this test now. Okay. Let me get some shungite now. There's one. Let's see the reduction. Wow. Look at the reduction. And that's just one little small stone. Okay, let's do a test. Reduction, reduction, reduction. Okay, let me compare this to shungite. Yeah, shungite's more potent. Look at that. Zilch. You see this? Look at the way it shine. Look at the way the black shine. You see me? Crystal healing. I already told you there's no cap in my rap. Man had to do scientific results so people can understand that life is not a joke. Alright, now's not the time to be getting into conspiracies, but people have been worried about 5G. And this is fiber optic, which is on the previous generation of network communications. So let's see what happens when I put this on top of there. The thing's going off, you see me? Alarm, you see me? So we shouldn't be scared of 5G, we just need education.